Principles of design. Second, unity. Unity is the principle of design that unifies all other principles within a piece of work, allowing each individual element to coexist with one another to form an aesthetically pleasing design. There are some types of unity. Balance. A design that looks as if it is equally weighted on opposite sides of its vertical center. Proportion. Elements with natural-looking proportions. Scale. Elements are an appropriate size relative to each other. Repetition and rhythm. Variety. Shape and form. Negative space.